guys, welcome back to another video, and this is Vade with a Zombsroyal solo game. But it's gonna be different this time. This time, I am gonna play with only shotguns, okay? And I'm gonna be playing solos. Solos, only shotguns. Okay, 8, 7, 2, 1, 0. I'm gonna check the map. Okay, I'm randomly clicking right now. I don't know where. Oh, okay. Over there. Okay, jump. Oh, no. Can't take that. Wait, I can take grenades, right? Okay, I'm gonna say I could take grenades. Oh. No grenades. Or no shotguns yet. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna drink this right now. Okay, I'm pretending to be a bot right now. Okay, got some meds. Why did I even need that? Come on, this is getting pretty hard. I can't do a single gun. Single shotgun. Oh, no, I forgot about the storm. No, please, no. Oh, come on. Come on. Wait just a second. Okay. Well, I wouldn't say that was too bad since I didn't have any guns. But I guess I could do better. Oh, come on. Do I? No, I can't use it, can I? Oh, come on. Okay, last one. Punch this tree. Waiting. Starting in 50, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please, shotgun. Is this like a no shotgun game? I find shotgun so many times. Like, all the time. Okay, that guy's in there. Yes! Okay, heals. No, not good. Yes, heals. I'm not even excited about that golden. Okay. Wait, just a second. Okay, so I hope you liked the video, guys, and see you next time.